Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. This saves time. Make sure the tablet is charged to 50% or more, and back up photos and contacts so you don't lose data. Once done, verify your Google account email and password because factory reset protection can block access otherwise. Next, remove external storage or SIM to avoid confusion. Finally, find the power and both volume buttons. Those are how you enter recovery. Do this now. We'll move straight into the reboot sequence. With the tablet off, press and hold power plus volume up until the logo appears, then release. This opens the boot menu. You use volume keys to move and power to select. That's why locating them matters. Once in Android recovery, move to wipe data/factory reset and select it. Confirm by choosing yes, delete all user data so the system clears user partitions. This step restores default firmware settings. It removes apps and accounts, preparing the device as if new. After the wipe finishes, select Reboot System now and be patient. Initial boot can take several minutes. You'll be guided into setup. Use your Google account when prompted. If factory reset protection appears, sign in with the previously used Google credentials to unlock the device. If the tablet fails to boot, try the recovery wipe one more time, then consider reflashing official firmware with the manufacturer's tool. If that still fails, contact support, hardware issues, or locked FRP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.